everyone, this is Myung. It's a very hot day, so we have to drink a lot more water, and in my case, I need more fiber as well, so I'm going to make a fennel and black lentil salad. Lentil have fiber, folic acid, potassium, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals and selenium. They are low in calories and fat, plus they are also gluten-free. Also, I'm going to use fennel. It is in season at the moment. Fennel is healthy and easy to use in salad or as a side dish. It has fiber, potassium, vitamin C, magnesium, and manganese. So, why not give it a try? Okay, let's begin. I'm going to use 1 cup of black lentil and other vegetables. So it will be well matched with the colors of black and yellow and green and a little bit of red color. I will use 1 cup of black lentils, and while this is cooking, I will prepare vegetables. Yeah. Okay, 1 cup of black lentils. I will quickly rinse them and cook them. Okay, I rinse them and then put the water in. So I'm going to cook it with little pinch of salt. Okay, I'm going to use half onion, very thin slice, and then marinate with apple cider vinegar, so it will be soften the flavor. The onion has lots of enzymes, so you should eat every day. Okay, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. 1, 2, and pinch of salt, and I will mix them. And actually sometimes I crush the salt. Half lemon juice and 2 tablespoons sesame seed and pepper and some basil. So basil is abundant at the moment, so I use lots of basil at the moment. So roughly chopped. People said it is better with the tail than both. I like a little piece in my salad, otherwise it will dominate the flavors. A lot rougher than what I usually chopped are the herbs like coriander and parsley. I really chop finely parsley, but I will roughly chop this basil. Okay. And this tomato, Otelio tomato, this kind of tomato was I used to eat when I was a little girl, and I still love it. So when I have a chance, I eat this tomatoes. It's quite juicy and really tastes good. Just slice like this. Now to celery, I will slice very thinly. Okay, celery is chopped. And now this fennel. Fennel, I love it because the aroma is so good. Oh, this smells lovely. Now I'm adding spoonful of sriracha. So homemade sriracha, vegetables I made earlier. So I will mix them now. And this cooked lentils, I cooked for half an hour. So I didn't soak them, just cooked from scratch. So rinse them and cook it for 30 minutes. When it starts to boil, I reduce the heat and simmer for 20 minutes. So it took altogether 30 minutes. Adding about 3 spoons and mix. Okay, this is all done. So today I made a warm salad, which is not too cold, or even in a very hot summer day we have to eat something warm food so our body can easy to digest. When we eat too cold food like ice cream or icy cold drink, our body have to make it turn to our body temperature, so that's why we will be more exhausted after an ice cold drink, because our body have to work on more than warm food. So it is always nice to have warm food even in very hot summer day. Okay, so I'm going to taste it. Some black lentils and some corn. This is lovely. These black lentils have a nutty flavor and corn is sweet. This corn is seasonal at the moment, so you can make it while it's available. Yeah. So hope you enjoy my recipe, and please make your own and eat warm food in hot summer day. And thanks for watching. Be healthy and see you next time. Bye.